Hello, my name's Stephen and welcome to my YouTube channel. The subject of this video is an in-box review of this kit by Airfix. It's a Hawker Hurricane MK1 starter set. It comes with brush, paints and glue. Shan't be using that, but I might use paints, we'll see. It's for a Hurricane from number 615 Squadron, Royal Air Force at Kenley in August 1940. So right in the middle of the Battle of Britain. So looking forward to making this. It's been in my stash for quite a while, can't remember when I bought it. So let's have a look, see what's in the box, shall we? Right, so this Hawker Hurricane starter set MK1 by Airfix in 1/72 scale. It comes with the glue, shan't be using that. Comes with the paints, they're acrylic. I'm thinking of actually using them because I know they spray pretty decent if you thin them with a bit of this Surgical Spirit. That I got from chemists. I think it's 100% alcohol, but I'm not sure whether it's close to that. Yeah. Industrial methylated spirit, 95%. Okay, right, so the box has a nice painting of a 109 smoking, probably just been hit by this hurricane. Very atmospheric painting. It's by Adam Tooby. The kit number is interesting. I can't read that. I can't read it. Oh yeah, there we go. A55111. Get a nice picture of the hurricane on the side. A bit of potted history. Airfix line hour. Are they ever going to bring the club back? On the rear of the box are the painting instructions. And as I said in the introduction, it's for an aircraft. Doesn't say who the pilot was, of number 615 Squadron, Royal Air Force, Kenley, England, August 1940. And there it is as well. It's A55111. The decals are by Cartograph, and the kit was made in India and China. I'm guessing the plastic was China. I mean India, but we'll find out. Okay, right, so that's it. Just have to open this up because I've never had it open before. Hopefully all the parts are there. Okay. So we'll look at them in a minute. Plastic in a minute. Decals. They look very nice. Get a decal for the dashboard. Looks like they cover the guns. There's no stencils. Okay, but they look very nice. Now the instructions. These are newish instructions, bit of colour. At the top you got history of the hurricane there, and then in French, German, Spanish, SE, don't know what that is, but you get that as well. And then if we turn the page, safety information in loads of languages, assembly instructions in loads of languages, and the assembly icon instructions. You know, so if you see what these are, it tells you in here what they mean. Okay, so it starts off with not with a cockpit usually. You know, Airfix gets started with cockpit, but here we start with the wing spire. Put it gluing in the air tank into the wings, and as you can see, that's what these are really good about Airfix instructions now. The bit from the part before is now in red. Can you see? And when you glue that in there, and it's there. It says to drill these holes out if you're going to have it flying, but I'm not sure they're not Airfix stands, so we'll have to see what they are. And then we close the wings up. Then we start on the stuff that's flooring for the cockpit, with the joystick, rudder pedals. Then we move on to the seat and the cockpit dashboard, and it looks like you get a bit of detail on the inside of the fuselage, but we'll have a look. And then it's a case of closing up the fuselage and gluing it to the wings. And then underneath, got parts for tailplane and what have you, the radiator, and don't know what that bit is, but it goes in there. Then carburetor intake is there, and then undercarriage if you're going to have it in flight, undercarriage if you're going to have it wheels down. And that's about it. 17 parts. 17 parts. Oh no, correction. And then we get on to putting the pitot in, making the prop, putting the pilot in, and putting all the bits on. Okay, so let's have a look at the main event. The plastic. That's clear part. We'll have a look at that in a minute. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 sprues of Airfix's soft grey plastic. So let's have a look at the first one. Fuselage sides, wheels up option and wheels down. That's that little air tank that goes into the wheel well. Exhaust, they're probably part of undercarriage, pilot seat, radiator cover, and I don't know if you can see that, but you get some nice engraved detail. Not sure if it's picking it up. Can you see with some rivet marks as well, and the fabric effect of the rear fuselage is really subtle. Let's have a look on the inside. So yes, you do get some detail on the inside of the fuselage halves. So that looks all nice, and like the detail on the undercarriage covers as well. There's detail there. So the next sprue is has the upper wing, and this is for the really early Hurricane, where it's got fabric covered wings, These got changed later to where most of the Hurricanes in the Battle of Britain had metal wings, but I like them. It's really nice, that really subtle detail, and just look at that, all this detail, it's beautiful. That's race rivets there on there. It's part of the fuselage, and not fuselage, the cockpit. That's that spire that goes into the wing wheels, and they're weighted as well. Undercarriage legs, they're very detailed, aren't they? We have a look on the inside, on the blind side. Not much to write home about there. Those ejector pin marks, you won't be seeing them or them. So, all looks really good. Looks like you can't get the wheels wrong because they've got certain slots in. The next sprue is the lower wing, and again this has really fine detail, really nice ribbing on it, and that's really nice, and lots of recessed panel lines. Got rivet marks there, and on here as well. The detail on this is really good. Look at the flooring, joystick, rudder pedals. I have to be careful trying to remove them from the sprues, I think. Nice pilot. The stabilizers, radiator cover intake. If we have a look on the blind side, so there's no flash on this kit whatsoever. No ejector pin marks where you're going to see them. I don't think even on the inside of the fuselage. Oh well, maybe. Oh no, but your chair is going to come down here, so no. And the final sprue has the propeller, rudder, spinner cover, the back for the chair, and the part that goes into the undercarriage. I'm guessing there's other versions of this because of this bit here. Maybe they've done a Sea Hurricane, I'm not sure, with the arrestor hook here. Anyway, but that propeller looks really nice. The tail wheel is really nice. So already looking forward to making this. That rudder, it's so subtle is the detail on the ribbing. Well, finally, shall I look at the clear sprue? And oh, again, this is really nice, really good stuff. Really clear. No distortion that I can see. You got two kinds of cockpit screen. Landing lights for the wings. So that's really nice, all in all, really good. So there you have it. Airfix's 1/72 scale Hawker Hurricane MK1 with fabric wings. So we'll have to see how it builds up, how it goes together. So this is Stevie D signing off. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would consider subscribing. That'd be wonderful. If you've got any comments or want to ask a question about the kit, just put it in the details below and I'll answer it. As I always read them, and I answer all comments with either a like if I don't really understand what the comment is about, or you get a proper answer from me. Anyway, this is Stevie D signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, happy modelling, etc, etc. Cheerio. Bye for now.